Hi, I'm Todd. I'm with PES Solar. I'm here to show you a couple of the training devices that we've implemented here. We have a service change out with a meter cam. We also have a main distribution board, and this helps our electrical techs and our service techs in training. We go through on how everything's wired. Here we have a housing block, and the grounding goes down to our grounding bars. Everything that's required for a service change out. Over here we have our battery service training board where our battery techs we implement training through the end phase course where they get certified, and then we learn how to wire them all up. The jumpers, when you're jumping one battery to another, and here's our Enphase Empower Smart Switch where it's the brains of the operations, where the gentlemen learn how to program and their backup panels and their backup services for the battery.